yoga flow to stretch your shoulders. Practicing these stretches will help reduce stiff shoulders and neck. Begin with Vajrasana. Stretch your hands up. Extend your hands back and join them. Bring your hands forward. Stretch them to sitting goddess pose. Come to tabletop pose. Now do marjari bitilasna, cat and cow. Repeat 3 times. Slide forward to uttana shishuasana, extended puppy pose. While transforming from Adhomukha swanasana, downward facing dog, move your body forward to a full plank. Turn left and do a side plank. Back to Adhomukha swanasana. Go down to forearm plank. Slide forward to bhujangasana, cobra pose. Come back to Adhomukha swanasana. Stand up to Veerabhadrasana 1. Then to Veerabhadrasana 2. Now goddess pose. Sit down in Malasana. Now in Ardha Matsyendrasana, seated spinal twist pose. Interlock your hands to Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Lie down in Shavasana. Now do Uddarakarshasana, universal spinal twist. And relax in Shavasana. Contraindications of this flow. Avoid doing this practice if you have shoulder dislocation.
Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy anytime.